this should be my new YouTube setup. No more purple. Queen. 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 I feel like you're crooked. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. You like it? You like it? There's literally nothing in this cup.
Okay.
Oh, hey guys. I was just posting last week's video, which was really funny and kind of cringy. Make sure you go check it out. And in the corner, I have a playlist called Looking for Some Cringe. You can go see that and go check it out. Some people are like, oh, you're vegan? And I'm like, yes, this has been happening for a while. Because what the health ruined me. I'm like this close to being totally ruined, but I'm still good. If you want to go vegan, stay and watch this video. I will be posting now Tuesdays at 6. And I have a good reason for it because I'm taking a photography club until 5. And you know I have to post Mondays at 5. I always post it Mondays or Mondays and Thursdays. But now I'm switching it up and it's going to be Thursday at 6. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and comment down below. Would you ever go vegan? And trust me, if you say no, that's okay, because I thought that I would never go vegan. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is a beginner's guide. And if you're doing a beginner's guide, you want to start from the very beginning. And I will be coming up with a what I eat in a day vegan. If you guys want to check that out to get some ideas further along the way so you can know more about how I manage it. First, get rid of harmful products, and this will give you a chance to actually see that some of these things that you're using are not really good for the environment. I should take care of my body, but I also should help the environment too. So just switch things out with eco-friendly products. And you might be like, what do you mean? My computer, is that not eco-friendly or something? I don't know. Nail polish. Nail polish is not animal abused or something. Or makeup like lipstick or chapstick. An example is Burt's Bees lip balm. It's 100% all natural. And you can switch out a ton of other things in your house with some more eco-friendly products. Do research. And you might be like, well, I know that I want to go vegan. What else is there to it? Well, you have to research documentaries on why you can't eat these things and what it is actually doing to your body so you can understand why you don't want it. A documentary I recommend is What the Health, but some people are like, Or you can see what are the actual ingredients in your food and what it actually does to your body and just a ton of other stuff like that. Or if you don't want to watch a documentary, we don't have Netflix or Hulu, you can also go on YouTube and watch videos like What I Eat in a Day as a Vegan, and that's still researching about veganism. So start gradually replacing meals. With me, I kind of got rid of everything at work once, and it kind of worked for me, but I kept on eating dairy. So I decided, how about I just start gradually getting rid of things I don't like. So first it might be meat, then it might be dairy, and then it might be everything all together. Not as in all foods, I'm talking about all the things that make you vegan. Comment down below one category that you cannot live without, whether it's fruits or meat or vegetables. It's just one category that you cannot live without. Or you can live without. Read processed labels. Make sure you read them carefully to see what is actually included in your food, and that will help you also maintain a healthy diet as you are transforming into veganism. When you're going vegan, make sure you boost your iron. And iron is mostly found in meats, as some people know or think. Well, did you know things like peanut butter can actually replace meat as an iron? Also, iron can be found in things like sunflower seeds, dried raisins, leafy greens, and make sure you're also keeping your iron up. Buy frozen foods because Because if you're vegan and you're like, oh, look, it's pasta. Oh no, but it has eggs in it. Or, oh, look, pizza. So buy frozen food, like microwaved meals, or just, I don't know, like frozen foods. You know what frozen foods are? Yeah, just go get it. Just. Look up healthy vegan meals you can make at home. One reason people go vegan is because they want to live healthier. And you can't just go out every time you want to eat, because that's still not helping your body, because you are not really knowing what is being put in your food. But when you cook at home, you are actually knowing what goes into your body. But look up healthy meals to make at home. Guys, that's it for my video. But you guys know that I have way more knowledge in here. So tell me if you want a part 2 of this video. And on my Instagram, I also made an announcement that I will be going live throughout the week. So make sure you go follow that so you can see behind the scenes as well as my vlog channel, because there's this fun video coming up and I do not want you guys to miss it. Also, hashtag join the queen by subscribing to my channel, because we all can be royal too. And if you are royalty and you are a part of my kingdom, make sure you comment down below hashtag royal or hashtag royalty. I forgot to say that on my last video. Last week comment goes to this person right here. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video.